channel. So in today's video we will just see how we can add uh, one icon like to view and hide the password. Okay. uh, as you know, the password should be in encrypted format. So if user wants to see the password he is entering in the correct way or not, so I will just provide one button, that is the eye icon. So user can just click on that button. Once that click, so user can show that password, and again if we click on the same button, then that password should be hidden. So in this way we can add this icon. And the second thing I have described in my video, like I have created one dummy solution where I am saving all these user details, means sign up credential in that collection. So okay, and the third things I will explain in my today's video, right? Like email id should be in the correct format. That means if we are passing the email id like abc@gmail.com, so that should be the valid email id. But if you pass the email id like abc, and if we miss at the rate symbol or dot com symbol, then we can get the error message like please enter the email id. So I will just show you how I can do that. Okay, so yeah, so we can start our video. So I will just show you first thing for the email id. So we need the email id in the correct format. So I have to do here, I just added one label. So in the label property, I go to the text property. Under the text property, I am giving like a formula like if is match, means text input 4 underscore 1 means this email id text input. Okay, this text input having the valid email id, then only that email is valid. Otherwise please enter the, so otherwise I will show the message like please enter the correct email id. So in here I'm doing is match text input 4 underscore 1 is matches with the email id, then only email id is valid. Otherwise please enter the correct email id. Okay, so this message will comes up. So yeah, I will just show you. You can see here I have missed the at the rate symbol, so that's why you can able to see this message please enter the email id. If I put the at the rate symbol, so you can see the email id is valid. So in this way you can do that valid validation for the email id. So next thing is for password and re-enter password, you can see this email password in the encrypted format. So if user wants to see what he is typing in the password field, so what we can do, I will just show you. I already did that thing. Okay, I will just click on this icon. You can see this is the password which user is entering. Similarly for the second one, if you user again click on this icon, that password should be hidden. So I will just show you what we can do here. So first of all we need to select this text input. So under the text input I explain about the mode. Okay, mode property, we have three different types of mode. First one is single line, multi-line, and password. So for password we are select the password. But if you want to show, but user wants to see the password in the text format and second one in the password format, on the button click of that eye icon. So what we can do here, first of all we can just select the eye icon. Under the on the eye icon we have the on select property. We can just go to the on select property, and we are just defining the one context variable. First context variable like var show password, varShowPassword, and I am doing the boolean value. First one is the true and second one is the false. If user is click on that icon, then that password should be visible. Again user click on the same button, then the password should be not visible. So this is the context variable I have defined here. Then next thing is we need to select this text input. Okay, in the text input we need to give them a condition like if the context variable where show password, if it is a single line of text. Okay, either single line of text or the password on the button click. Okay, because we are giving the true and false, that is the boolean value. So that's why I'm giving the this condition. Once this is done, what we can do, again we will select the icon, and we can this eye icon, and we can just go to the icon property. Under the icon property, what we can do here, we are using two icons. First one is the eye view, that is the eye view means this is the eye view, and again if you click on the same icon you can just see one cross on the eye. I will just show you. Yeah, so in this way we can, this is the hide one and this is the view icon. So in this way we are just contradicting the conditions. Okay, so in this way we can just do that these things. Okay, so these are the things I did the similar for the this one second one. For the second re-enter password I did the same thing. First of all I need to select this one, then on select property I have defining the variable like show where show pass1. Okay, same for the boolean value true and false. Once this is done I need to go to icon property. In the item icon property I am using the same variable. On the variable I am just giving the hide and show. Okay, hide means that icon should be like hidden, and second one should be view means I button should be visible. So in this way we can just do, and we need to just on the mode property of the text input we need to just define this var1 var show pass1. Okay, and next one is it should be either single out text or password. Okay, so in this way we can do that. And the last thing is the sign up. So all the things we need to store in one collection. So that's why I created one solution like, sorry, created so collection like clear collect. My collection name is this call session, means all the details will be stored in the this collection. So for first one my username is there. So my username text input value, this is the text input for. Okay, you can see text input 4 is there. So that's why I'm passing text input 4 dot text. Similarly for the email id text input 4 underscore 1 password and the confirm password. Okay, so in this way we can just store it. I will just show you. I will just run the app and I will just enter some value and I will just show you how we can do that. So xyz at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so now you can see here this is the one. If I remove this one, so you can just see, right? If I remove, see this is not valid email id. If I remove the dot, again this will show the message like this way. So email id should be in the valid format. So I will just give the password like xyz. I will just show you whether I am typing the correct way or not. So you can just click on this icon. Yeah, you can see here. So for this one I need to change XYZ. Again I will click on here. You can see this is email ID, username, password, and confirm password. Okay, I will just hide this password because user don't want to see show their password to any other person. So that's why I will just hide this one and I will just click on the sign up. So yeah, so once the sign up is done, so what we can do, we will just check whether our data is stored in the collection or not. So how we can check, I will just show you. Okay, so this is my collection and this is the collection you can also see here. So if you click on this drop down you can just see xyz. Just now we are save, then email id is this will this, and password will be this, and the username should be this. So in this way we can just store all the data in our collection. That is a temporary data we are storing in one collection. So in this way we can just uh, design our sign up page or login page by using this all the condition. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching my video.